Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be making this delicious meal for dinner, and I'll be using 4 hot dogs, and I will be putting them in my air fryer for 15 minutes. If today is your first time coming across my video, please subscribe. Thank you. And I'll be using 1 onion, please like, comment and share. Now I'll be using 2 carrots. I will be slicing my carrots into pieces. You can add any other veggie of your choice. Here is our pan. Adding a little bit of oil. Adding my onion and my chopped carrots. Now I'll be adding my cooked beans, and I'm adding my Maggi and salt, and I'll be using half of cucumber. Our food is ready. Here is our fried beans and carrots and our cucumber, and this is the hot dog. Look at how it looks. It looks yummy. And we have our strawberry. If you'll be trying this recipe, drop your comments, and if you find this